Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What's the difference between Manwich and Sloppy Joe's? Manwich is the marketed version of Sloppy Joe sauce you can find in the grocery store. Sloppy Joes are simply ground beef, or turkey, simmered in a sweet and tangy tomato-based sauce, served on hamburger buns. 7 February 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Don't skimp on the beef. Move the beef to a colander to drain, reserving a little bit of the beef fat. In the same pan, start building your Sloppy Joe base. Diced onions and red and green pepper, with a little bit of garlic, chopped finely, almost like a paste, thrown in for good measure. 21 July 2015.
Let's help you make your mark.
Add the tomato sauce, tomato paste, vinegar, adobo sauce, brown sugar, cumin, salt, and cinnamon and cook, stirring, for about 5 minutes. If you want a smooth sauce, like the canned Sloppy Joe sauce, let cool for a bit, then puree in a blender until smooth. 30 November 2007.
Let's help you make your mark.
Food scientist Bill Skinner occasionally buys Hunt's Manwich Sloppy Joe sauce and described the bold version as being a little sweeter with more tomato flavor. It's zesty like a smoky barbecue sauce, but has no kick, and the consistency is thick and holds together on the bun.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.